Hey everyone, for this video, I'll show you some good practices for filming in Gravity Sketch. First, let's press the exit key on your keyboard and then toggle on the option Smooth Head Camera. You can either press exit again or resume, and this will make your recording smooth. The next thing we'll focus on is keeping things in view. So what we've noticed is keeping things centered in the frame makes it easier for people to view what's going on when viewing things in 2D. This is really helpful whenever you're trying to show tools and menus for your workflow. So here I'll pop up a menu, and you'll see I'm keeping it centered in the screen. I also hold the controller up front and center to show exactly what buttons I'm clicking. This is the way most people work naturally, and you can see it's not great for filming. The menu's off the screen, you can't see the options that I'm clicking through, and it's overall just confusing and cluttered. Another thing you can do to make your space a little more attractive is adjust the workspace. So we'll press the blue menu button, go to Settings, and click Workspace. Now this varies if you're on Quest or a tethered headset, but you can see here on the top we have presets, you can click through those, and then below we have Custom. So here I'll make a nice gradient with blue on top and a white on the bottom, and it really just sets up the scene in a more attractive way and adds some nice shading onto the surfaces in the space. Another option for filming is external camera. So we'll press the exit button, toggle on external camera, and then press resume. Now there's no way for me to film external camera, so I've taken some screenshots here. This is what the camera looks like. On the back we have save position, follow sketch, and focal length. And we'll go through those now. So when we use the slide bar for focal length, we can change it actively. Follow sketch, toggling it on to the right, allows you to move around the environment and keep your sketch centered. So essentially it parents the camera to your sketch. When we have follow sketch off, we can actually tumble the sketch around the space and zoom in and out. If you guys are interested in more videos and want to keep up to date, like and subscribe. And if you have something specific you want to see, drop it in the comments below.